Good morning, everyone. This is my blog. Like, share, and subscribe. Morning. Good morning, everyone. Time check. Wala yung cellphone ko. Hindi ko suot yung relo ko. 7:12 in the morning. And ay, mali. Yan. Ang today is Saturday, 20th of September, and the weather for today is 15 degrees, everyone. So, ayun. Dito lang ako, aray ko. Yan. Dito lang ako sa kwarto at the moment. After breakfast, ay kakain na. Ay, kakain. Maliligo. Alis din. Yan. Flex ko sa inyo aking plantita. O, buhay na po ang train. Mga 2 weeks na yata siya. Yeah. Pero, ayan pa rin. Maulan. May ambon-ambon ba? Kasi basa yung bubong. So, ayan lang everyone. Kain muna tayo. Mamaya na lang ulit ang update kung saan ako tutungo. Good morning everyone. One shot for the inflammation of your joints and everywhere in your body. Good morning everyone. Time check. 9:30 ay 9:29. So let's do this at let's go on this side dahil mag video ako baka ako sa matapilok dito sa bako-bakong pavement. And the weather for today is about 17. So today is Friday, as what I've said this morning while I am on my breakfast mood. Ito na yung sa care group sa Abbeywood. I'm gonna take the Elizabeth line and makulimlim ang panahon pero hindi siya ganong kalamig, mainit. So I'm going OOTD of the day. Yeah. And my backpack is on my back. Yun lang everyone. See you later. I'm gonna take Jubilee line and Elizabeth line. So I'm gonna think which one is better. Better is easy because in paring doon, I don't want because I need to go out and there is high stairs, I think. But let us see kung saan ako mapadaan. I'm gonna think about while I am in Jubilee line. I don't remember. I'll take Canary Wharf that time, but it seems that I need to go out also and walk a couple of a minute, I think. How many the distance of the walking? So let's Let us see later, okay? Update ko. Nakuha ko itong jacket ng anak ko. Sikip na to sa kanya, I know. Pero sa akin, sikip din. Hindi ko na lang i-zipper. Kasi dadalhin ko to in a way na just in case mapadaan ako sa Uniqlo, pwede kong iwan doon. And then, buy ako ng ibang product nila just to drop this jacket. Kasi sayang naman. Para malaman nila kung bakit dinrap. Na I did it na before, long time ago when I am here. 2 jackets I drop on there. Every time dadaan ako dun, sinusuot ko yung mga jacket na hindi ko na gusto. Tapos i-drop ko dun sa kanila. Kasi meron dun silang basket or box na pwede mong i-drop yung mga jacket na hindi mo gusto. So, ayun lang everyone. See you later and bye-bye. Good morning. This is the situation here and nearly at Willesden Green Station. So I'm gonna drop here at Sainsbury Local to buy my water. Water is life. As usual. India pa rin. Ibian. Thank you and see you later. I'm gonna buy the Ibian water. The hand. Hindi ko kasi kaya magbuhat ng 1 pack. Kasi meron namang mga 1 pack dito. So, ito na lang. Asan? Ay, wala silang maliit. Maliit. Patay tayo dyan. Dito lang yung Highland. And what is this? The Aquapura. The steel. Okay, let us see. Lumabas na ako everyone kasi wala silang Evian. Yun, mamaya ko na lang pag uwi ko, try kong bumili. Nakabili na ako kagabi yung malaki. Pero yung maliit, wala. So, hindi ko naman pwedeng ilagay yung aking bottle, yung water ko na So, bibili na lang ako ng mas maliit. So, ayun lang everyone. Andito na ako sa train station. And tingnan natin kung alin ang already sa that line. Baka na-reward nga. Kasi ilang stop na lang. Sa Bond Street, pwede rin. Bond Street na lang ako. Ayan everyone, I choose this one. After ng Baker Street. Mag-Bond Street ako. So, in 2 minutes, the train is coming. I'm gonna get here the Jubilee line first, everyone. Dito na ang train, everyone. So, dito. My favorite seat.
This station is
This is the way. This is the way. Nag-lift na ako kasi nga medyo, alam niyo na yung tuhod ko. Umaatake na naman. So, ayan. Dito tayo. Going to Elizabeth Line. On the other side, Jubilee and Central Line. So, dito tayo. Oh, this is easy. Normally, nag-take ako ng Metropolitan. And then, doon, maraming way papunta ng Liverpool hanggang Liverpool. Yeah, hanggang Liverpool going to take this Elizabeth Line. So, now I know it. Ganda, no? Bakit? Yeah. Ito ako. So, basa pa yung buhok ko. Hindi kasi ako nag-dryer. I let it like that hanggang sumatuyo. Bali itself. Tapos may ganyan lang. May hoodie lang. So, yun lang everyone. See you later. Pakita ko sa inyo pag nandun ako sa Elizabeth Line. This is ito yung may araw naman kasi ng mga ganyan-ganyan kaya hindi ka naman maliligaw. Ito, ayun. Dito tayo. Hindi busy, di ba? Unlike 2 weeks ago, nung ng train, nasagsagan ng train na strike. So, punong-puno ito talaga sa totoo lang. Grabe. Ako, ito na ang train, no? Approaching via Canary Wharf. Arrive. Let's go, everyone. Dito tayo. Priority lang. $9.59 time check. Ang calling time. Call time is 11. Sorry. Okay, everyone. I am here already at the Abbey Woods. This is the last part, so we need to go way out. Ayan. Ito yon, Abbey Wood, Woolwich, Custom House, Canary. If you are going to Bond Street again, yeah. Because later I'm going to take the Jubilee. Yeah. Pag tapos namin ng care group dito. So, yun ang aking gagawin. So, dito na ako, everyone. Let's go to way out. This is it. After how many months, I'm going back. Thank God, nakabalik kami ulit sa care grouping by Sister Jewelyn House. Ayan. And, ayun lang. See you later, everyone. I'm here already. Looking for them. Ayun. Pili akong tubig. Pero hindi naman ako nag-uupong. Yan ang train station dito ng Elizabeth Line. Ito yung last stop nila. Elizabeth Line. Ano ba to? Train? Elizabeth Line. Stop or garage, whatever. Whatever. So, let's go out at tingnan natin doon sa free house. Free house siya. Kung may Ibianes Mall. Ayan, everyone. Lumabas na ako. Malapit naman na. Okay na. Then Sister Betty is already there in the Sainsbury buying something maybe. Masyadong malayo ang lakad ng Sainsbury dito. Pakita ko sa inyo yun. Yung building na malaki na yun. Ayun. There. Ang Sainsbury. So, that's it, everyone. Dito ko na lang hintayin si Pastora and si Sir Joy. Ayan. We take 472 or either 244 or 229. Morning. So, it's maluwag. Ay, dito po ako. 472. So kami bababa sa South Mer Lake, everyone. South Mer Lake. Ayan. South Mer Lake. We're going. And then, dito kami dadaan sa pavement. Ito yung bahay magaganda. Sa pavement. We are here, everyone. Ganda ng kanyang Mil Flores. Pa-dry na siya pero ganda pa rin. Ayan ang pa-lunch ni Sister Joey. Hindi siya prepared.
Hindi siya prepared.
Ayan.
Hindi siya prepared.
Ayan.
Hindi siya prepared.
Ayan ang may-ari ng
Hindi siya
bahay with
prepared.
Sister Betty.
She's
Yeah.
sharing her love.
Yes.
Ano
So
yun,
much
Day?
love.
Ano ito?
After the care group.
Ito?
She's sharing so
Way out, everyone. The Bond Street. And Santa then. Here now, I am here now, everyone. In what square is this? I know this is, I don't remember. This is the place that we've been, the access during the train strike. Yeah. So, yeah. The Hanover Square. Yeah, this is the Hanover Square. So, nearly at Oxford, everyone. Done! I'm gonna drop there in McDonald's. I'm gonna buy wrapped chicken. Yeah.